Hello, welcome back. Today is going to be something completely different to what I normally do. Normally I do EDC and everything, but we're going to change it up. I've been extremely sick the last few weeks, so see how far I get into this. This might be 2 parts for me, 1 part for you type thing, like record half and half because I'm still dying. But yeah, let's get into this. I'll try and edit out all my coughs and croaks and sniffles and all that, but we should be good for now. But so obviously just push these in or some crap. Kinda easy. Yeah, and it should just be easily come out. I'm trying not to. There we go. Alright, so if you haven't noticed, this is it's like a camera. That's what we're gonna be making. It also does those two, but we're gonna be making a camera because I love photography. I saw this, it was on sale at Big W at the time, and I was like, yeah, why not? Why not? Haven't done anything with Lego in a really long time. So yeah. I'm guessing these are all the different ones. Yeah, so we'll be doing this one. We'll set those aside. Alright, here is the book. How many steps is this gonna be? Oh my lord. So, I wonder if all these are different. I'm guessing these will be for different things. Or do I have to open all of these? So if I have to open all these, I'm kind of screwed. I really don't want to open all of them, but it looks like I might have to. I'll open what I know that I need, which is like I need that. And then if I see later on that I need those, then I'll open it, which I'm pretty sure that's the lens. I'm gonna try and keep everything from going everywhere, so I'm gonna do kind of little tears in hopes it's not gonna go everywhere, and just try and grab what I need. So it's gonna be interesting. A lot of these parts will be sped up because this might take me a while because I am also very special. But yeah, and it's also gonna be me just trying to find parts, which will be annoying. I think I'm going to grab a container of some type and tip these into. That might be easier, so I'll be right back. So I grabbed a container. Here's to hoping this actually makes my life easier. Alright, that seems to help. Which I'm thinking I am gonna have to open all of them because that doesn't seem to be like all the parts. When you actually look at the photo, oh no, I can already tell. Yeah, it's got like crap. I hate that. That's alright. That's okay. Hopefully we make this right. What is that? Not looking. Spoilers. Alright. So we need those black things. One of those. But I don't know how many. Oh, I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across. It's not going to be in this one. Oh, I don't want to open the others. It's going to be a mess. Oh my god, there it is. It's staring right at me. Okay. If you hear a lot of wind, it's my aircon. Because yes, Australia is in winter, but we just had a 30-degree day because why not, right? Why not? May as well. Everything else seems to be going to hell. I know I'm going to have leftover bits. I'll just put them back in the box. It's fine. Which I'm using the box as a rubbish bin right now. Or whatever's left, I'll put in a Ziploc bag. I'll figure it out. So that, nope, that's not it. It's a flat one. This. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And then that goes there with 3 either side. So it goes like that. And now I need 2 of those, which are 4. I did see those. Nope. It's like that. I need 2 of those to go across like that. Yep, there we go. We're already 5 minutes in, and I put 3 pieces down. We're winning. Let me guess, I gotta open up one of those 2 now. I don't think I do. Oh, what a score. Okay, so that goes like... Wait, maybe that one goes like that. Is that right? So I have the flat bit coming up. Yeah, that's right. Oh, sweet. And the other one. Oh yeah, we are winning. We are on a roll right now. Like that. Look at that. Done. That looks like a camera, right? Perfect camera. Perfect. Okay. On to the next page. Oh yeah. We're flying through this. Actually, I'm not gonna get my hopes up. So we have that one bit that goes in the middle. So that goes there, because it should be 1 on either side of those. Perfect. Then underneath we have 4 more of those black. Please be in this one. Oh yes, they are. We got those, and they overhang, because then we need a singular bit, which I'm betting isn't in this one. Well, ain't that a bitch? Alright. Ah, that's not even close to what I'm looking for. What am I doing? I was on a roll. Oh man, that's heartbreaking. I see it in here. This is heartbreaking. I was on such a good roll. Oh, it's in this one with all the tiny pieces. I need another one of those though. Can anyone see it? Point it out to me, because I'm blind. Oh my lord. That one's not it, because that's 6. Don't point that out to me. Am I staring at it? Is that my problem? I was staring at it. See? I know I'm an idiot. Alright, now we're gonna open up the tiny pieces. Should have grabbed more containers. Because this is gonna be a 50-part episode. Because I'm an idiot. Why are they entrusting? I'm gonna try and put them all in the corner because they're tiny pieces. Okay. Now here I was saying, I'm gonna fly through this. I'm gonna be able to just skip ahead, just fast forward, and you guys will know. Man, if I fast forwarded through all this, you'd get to the end and go, wow, that was a journey all in one. Okay, all right, we're doing it. That's step number 4 done. Look at me go. See, I'm sniffling, apologies. I need 2 more of those things. I wish they told me that beforehand. 1, while I'm here, I'll find the other. 2, oh my god, I'm back on a roll. Back on a roll. Okay. Now don't worry, for you guys, this will be relaxing music over the top. For me, this is hardcore, panicking, losing my mind. metal. Okay, what's the next step? 2 of those, I just did that. Nope, that's not it. I need, please don't say that in here. Oh, good. I was gonna correct. Oh, I'm gonna have to open that because I need all those little, I think they're called Technic. No, they're not the Technic ones, they're the other ones. Okay, I need 2 of those on a roll because there's 50 million of them. Hell yeah, that's what I like to see. And then I need 2 of those. Can anyone see the other one? There's so much red. Looks like a damn murder scene in here. Where's the other one? It's red. It should just stand out. So underneath all of those. I would really hate if I tipped me on top of the piece I needed. I think these 2 managers. Sorry. And I only need 1 of those. Oh, I'm already hating this. I love it. I love it. I love it. Positivity. Definitely nothing to. Oh wait, I'm also wrong because I need that. And 1, 2, 3. I need that. And I need black to black. I need this, but in black. And of course, there's no single right front of it actually. Yeah. So now, on the right side, we have the black. Got to make sure I get these sides right, or it's gonna look stupid. And then we have the 2 red. Alright, I'm seeing it. It looks like a camera. We're done. See you in part 55. It's gonna be a long day. I need 5 of these. There we go. Okay, and maybe if I shut up, I'll be able to fast forward some of these sections for you guys. So, in the comments, just put in there, can you shut up? Because that's totally valid. Because I don't stop talking. That's my so far, so I do my shirt now. Because, oh yeah, the long one's on that side. Sorry. Oops, I'm sorry. That's the long one. Oh, you're trying to throw this. These big flags come out. You guys have everything you see. Alright, we're standing up. We're getting active. That's it. Can't see anything. I make doctors. Oh, did it. Okay. So this one goes in here. This one goes there. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We're on to the next part. Found that straight off the bat. Oh, we're on a roll. Rolling. Oh, I don't know who Roland is, but he's a dick for giving me the idea to do Lego on a video. Should have left it to the experts. Yeah, honestly, why are you sitting here right now? Or why I'm judging my viewers. Why are you sitting here right now watching this idiot make Lego when you could be watching an expert like Lego Masters? Those guys literally put everything together in like 10 seconds. And I just sit there like, wow, they just built a whole friggin' forest. They built a whole friggin' forest without instructions in 5 minutes. Guess what? I can't make a simple platform in 15 minutes. Oh my lord. This is gonna be a long, embarrassing video. That's embarrassing. What am I looking for? Okay, I'm looking for the, I need to shut up. Again, comment, shut up. I'm stop. Zip. Throw away the key. That would explain it. Alright, see, I'm not blind. I'm just stupid. Okay. We're gonna put these on this side. Trying to keep it all kind of separated so I have a small idea of where everything. That's all the bags are. I told myself I wouldn't open all the bags. Keep it clean. That lasted 15 minutes. And the no talking lasted about 3 seconds. Okay. Am I blind or stupid? I'm putting that on a t-shirt. Am I blind or stupid? Oh my god, I'm blind. Okay. wait, I'm gonna do this one first because that will add emotional support while I put these on so it doesn't pop out. So I'm kind of just popping that in. That one goes there. Oh, I should have done that first. No, that's right. I got skinny fingers. I got the fattest fucking fingers on earth, man. Okay. Oh man, my nose. It's on fire. It's on fire. A little more zoomed in there. Next, we need. What do we need? We need 2 of those little ones, and we need that 3-sided, fucking weird looking. Okay, let's have a look. What have we got? Sorry, 3, 2, 3, 1. Alright, we're all in. Oh shit, no, that's. Stop saying it. I'm deciding whether this is gonna bite me in the butt or not, but someone needs to recommend me a Lego set to get. Nothing like $1,000, and I'll put it together on video. I'm gonna do a lot of editing, not just because it'll be a long video like 55,000 parts, but because I'm an idiot and I can't find anything. I'm looking for the weirdest piece, 3-sided. I've never seen it. That's probably because the only Lego set I ever got was off freaking Amazon as a kid. No, not even off Amazon. Like freaking eBay. I don't even know. Interesting. I've never seen that bit before. That is new for me. Like what? What? That goes with. These go inside. Oh shit! I'm fucking man. Beautiful. I see a camera coming together. We're on to step number 10. How many steps are there? 56, and I'm not even at the end. Oh, there's 74. Nah. Sorry guys, this is gonna be a 10-part episode. Oh, I should have looked ahead. Oh, this was such a good idea in theory. Okay. Well, shit. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. This next, I'm gonna do a montage until like step 20, okay? I'm not gonna make you guys sit through this. So, see you guys at step 20, because holy crap, I'ma die. Alright guys, welcome back. We are now on to part 20, which means I can sit this aside for about 5 minutes, put it somewhere safe where it won't fall and break. We did have some camera issues there, so everything kind of stopped recording and was annoying. I've been going between 4K and HD for the last 30 minutes trying to get everything to work. That was about an extra 20 minutes of just sitting there trying to get through that part with the camera issues as well. Wasn't super fun, but we got there in the end. So this is the part we're on to now. We're making the actual mechanical part that goes on top, as you can see. And yeah, let's get into it. This has actually been quite relaxing and exciting, and I've been really enjoying it, except for the camera difficulties, but it's just on my end. It's annoying, but yeah, still having a lot of fun. So what we need is a 4-piece grey bit. Hell yeah, and it's got a funny claw. Oh, that ball's gonna go into that, isn't it? Oh, I can already see it. It does! Oh my god, that's awesome. Okay, so we start with this, and then I need my area. So these are all the bits. Alright, those are all the bits. And this, that one shot there. So that, these are the inside. Those go like that. And then that goes on top. Then the grey one goes on top. What is that? Oh, the white, okay. And then that, so that goes to there. So I just wrong, and then put this into there. Oh my god, that's actually so cool. Oh, this is so much fun. Now this comes back into play, and this goes at the back. Yeah, like that. So it looks like that now. Ooh, it's actually so exciting, man. I feel like a fucking child. Alrighty, hello, welcome back. So, now we are looking for 3 of these. These little blocks. And this is our product so far. So we put little speakers on the front, we got a little tabby thing over here, which I think is where the button goes for the click. But yeah, other than that, we didn't really get through much. That's why I kind of skipped over it, because there wasn't too much happening. But now we're going to look for 3 of these, which shouldn't be too hard because they're decent blocks. There we are, and they stack on top of each other. Yeah, just like we like that, and we we're getting there. See, we're slowly getting there, and it looks good so far. Like I can see it coming together. Like I can see like the shape of it and everything. Like it's making sense. Like if you look at the bottom, that looks like the bottom of a camera. Like I can see it. It's coming together. It's getting there. It's getting there. It's nice. Okay, so it says rotate. Okay. Uh-oh. There's a bit missing. Uh-oh. 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 There's a bit missing. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. That's the bit we're building now. Oh my god. I was using that as a point of reference to how it was sitting. But that is what we're building now. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Oh, wow. What a genius. What a genius. Alrighty, look at that. We're getting almost to the end. If you look inside the little kind of tub, we're getting towards the end, as you can see, and that is exciting. Okay. So these are sorry if I pull it away from the camera. Sometimes I'm just trying to just wrap my head around what I have to do. So I'll try to edit out those parts, but I talk a lot, so it's hard to edit out those parts. And the slope needs to be going that way, like so. Okay, that little door's done. Now I think we attach it to here. Oh, that's why we got those clips on the back, because that's what attaches. Oh my god, that's so cool. And then we put the door on. It says to have it open when you put it on. Oh my god, there we go. We have a functioning door. Look at that. That's so cool. Oh my god, I actually love that so much. That is awesome. Okay, I'm actually getting excited over bits of plastic. Oh, I just really angered the Lego community. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to like make you mad. Oh god, they're all reporting me. I'm done. That's it. Cancelled. Cancelled by the Lego community. Didn't even get big enough to get cancelled by Disney. Okay, these little like slopes, those go onto here, that's what makes them have a slope. Go on, okay, that's actually so cool. Like, look, it's a fully working door, and then that, because it's kind of close, it like locks it in a little bit. So you just, that's actually awesome. It's kind of like a friction hold. You have to push it downwards and then in for it to hold, and now you gotta apply a little bit of pressure for it to come out. Oh, that's actually awesome. That's actually cool. Okay, I need that one. That goes on this side. That should cover up the door. Alrighty, look at that. That's actually awesome. Woo! Alright, and then we got our little hinge kind of here. Oh my god, and because it has a hole, it's easy to grab, to pull out. Oh my god, this is actually awesome. Lego, guys, this is actually awesome. You guys have made something awesome, as always. Now, oh my god, it gets even cooler. these are just face backwards. So these are like shapes. Streamline. Alrighty, so I'll give you a rundown of the parts. We got 4 of these blue, I think they're like 2x4, I don't know, whatever you call them, like flat bits. Then we got these 4 kind of like base plates. I think they're called base plates. Wow, look at me go. I'm rather wrong and I look like an idiot, or I'm right and I look awesome. And then these just go like that on it, on both, because these go at the front now. I think we're almost done. We just have to like do this, and then we have to just like make the camera mechanism and then like shape, like contour it. Alright, this part, take that, you know, let's go back. Alright, if you're stuck around for this long, this has been like maybe 30 minutes now. I'm not sure how long this has been going. My editing's been going for almost an hour. Thank you absolutely so much for sticking around and watching this journey. It has been a journey. It has been an absolute freaking journey. Thank you for like sitting around and just watching this. If you haven't made it this far, I do not blame you. I would have clicked off by now. So that's why I'm thanking you, is because you deserve a thank you and an apology. I'm sorry. I'm sorry there's nothing else for you to watch. Alright, so yeah, I did screw up and I did use the wrong piece earlier. Like it's not the biggest issue in the world. Like it won't be as noticeable. It's like the grey to the white, and I'm pretty sure it does get covered up. It's a bit annoying. So yeah, so this is like a red tube. It goes through that. It kind of sits in there, and that goes there. Which I'm actually thinking the other one has a back, and that's why it's like that. Oh my god, there it is. I did use the wrong one. And does that one has a circular back, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Damn it, that's why I need it. Oh no. Hold on, let me skip ahead and see if we put any coverings over the back or something. Yeah, no, I'm actually gonna have to go back and take that bit out because I need that. Oh. Alright, we're gonna fast forward through this. It's gonna be a quick little montage for you guys and a painstaking thing for me. Alright, I fixed it, we got it. Okay, that was painful. What have we got there? Oh yeah, okay, I fixed that. Yeah, and then that goes on the right side, yep, with the circle facing in. Okay, it goes like that, I'm getting there. Apologies for the tantrums and the pain, but I messed up, and when you mess up with Lego from the beginning, you got to go back and redo the whole lot, and that took me about 10 minutes, and then the camera of course stopped working, so it's like everything was against me all at once. But we're back on track, we're looking good. I wish they would write. Okay, so I think this is what it's meant to be. the picture, let's see if I can get in close enough to show you. This is what the picture shows. You can look. It looks clear, right? That looks clear. Is that meant to be clear, or is that? I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's meant to be clear. This is awesome. Oh my god, I know what that bit is. I was looking at this the whole time thinking that looks exactly like a freaking, oh my god. I knew it, man. I knew it. Look at that! Look at that! That's so cool! Wow. That's actually awesome, man. Okay. Oh, okay, makes sense now. So that goes there, and then I actually thought I messed up. I was seriously just gonna lose my shit. There was gonna be tears, man. So many tears. So now we've got that one. So it's like a 6-piece, and it's got holes in it. And then we've got that one as well. It's just like a normal circular, and then that goes into the middle like that. And now that goes over the top of this, like so, and that is what holds it in place. That is awesome, man. Oh, this is actually so exciting. I just got louder because I stood up. Sorry if I just screamed into the microphone. That's so cool. But yeah, that's such a, like I was saying, trying to say before my camera decided to stop. That's such a weird little piece, that black one. It's like a, looks like a pelican beak. It's cool. That's what we're up to. That looks clean as shit, man. It looks so good. Even the viewfinder works. That's actually so cool. This is awesome. Like, this is actually awesome. Oh, okay. I get it. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And then that's your little like wind to your next. Well, remember when I said earlier I'm hoping there's a spot where these two stack together? They don't. I need them now. Yeah. God damn it. It's gonna take me 50 minutes to pull these apart. These are the worst two pieces to get stuck together. Okay, Lego, you did this on purpose. You did this on purpose. This is your fault, Lego. Oh my god, no. This is actually the worst thing to happen. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, the Gerber paraframe. You saved my life, man. That is what I'm talking about. Now, oh, we need the wheel. I told you the wheel would be used for the lens. Told you. there we go. We completed the camera. Oh my god, that looks sick. Which obviously, like you saw in the intro, but wow, it looks so. And look, like that, like clicks now. Like everything is functioning. Like there's even like a button. The door opens and it like breaks off. Oh wait, I just didn't have it on right. Yeah, okay. And then like that is so cool, man. Now, oh my god. Guess what? We're not finished. I found out what this is as well. So if we open this up, guess what we get? A band. When we open that band, now look on this side here. If we put that on there, yeah, this little piece there. Right. Okay, there we go. You gotta kind of like put it on weird, but there you go. There's your nice little strap for when you're taking your photos. That is actually awesome. We're gonna put the camera aside now because here comes the fun part. We're making a strip. I'll show you when we get more towards the end. Okay, so release. That goes to your end. Let's try to get to this part quick because we've been doing it for about 2 hours now. We repeat that process. Fast forward. Fast forward. And then we need 3 of these little glass panels. And those just go into there like that. And then we process them. Fast forward. Right, and now we get the flat bit and then we go over the top. Now this one doesn't have anything, but I reckon there's a bit of that. There we go. Now we get our little stickers and choose which ones we want. I reckon I want the dog. I'll tell you which ones to put on. I put the dog next week. I'm happy then. 3. Which is kind of tedious. Kind of straight, which I did do. Oh, can you let me? I think that might be the second chance. And I wasted my second chance. 3, 5, and 6. Yeah, these are kind of a bit annoying to do. If you're a kid, get your parents to do it. Especially my parents do it. I'm an adult. Should get my parents to do it. I normally do it. I so much stuff. Always do stuff. But I reckon I got the second and third one pretty good. So there we go. That's that. Looking all nice and awesome. Look at that. Good. Now over here, we need those. There we go. Underneath we put like that, and then we put that. Oh, yeah. First bit, that's the we made like 2 hours. Put that. Start up. Now we have that. And then a little black circle to make it look cool. There we go. Okay. And then we just repeat that exact same process again. Alright, and there we go. There is the second one done. So we now have 2 reels of photos. And now what you do is you open the back here up. So you open that up. And then you put it in like that. And there you go, there's your reel. And you close it up. And there we go, there is the camera. That is amazing. That is so cool. I actually love, this was amazing. This was a really fun, it was fairly easy process. Everything works to what a camera would be. It's awesome. Like even the viewfinder. Like the viewfinder like actually looks through. Like if you look, you can see my hand passing the little bit up here, like that. That is attention to detail. That is awesome. I'm blown away. This was actually amazing. Lego, you guys have outdone yourselves. Like, there are a few leftover, like, spare pieces. There always are. I'm gonna chuck those in with my other box of Lego that I have. But yeah, thank you all for coming out and watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you to the people who stuck around to the end. That means it means so much to me that you stuck around and watched me make some Lego. But thank you all so much, and I will catch you on the next video, whatever that will be, whenever that will be. Hopefully it might be more Lego, or it could be a vlog, whatever it is. Thank you all for coming out. I will catch you guys in the next video. See you later.